Hi love, welcome back to Chi Diaries. Our transformation today is from this short fussy hair to this gorgeous gel hairstyle, and for the bun I used the butterfly or jungle braid expression hair. I made jungle braids with expression hair without cutting it at all, and that was what I wrapped around to make the bun. So I parted the hair into two, blow dried it, combed it out very well, and packed it into a bun with some bands, and then applied gel. You're going to see all this procedure in the video. I didn't film where I was accessorizing her hair, but because it was the same hairstyle with her sisters, I just put in the clip of where I accessorized the hair of the smaller girl. You can see by the side there, she also had her own beautiful bun with how short her hair was. It was so lovely and cute to see. So you're going to see how to do that. If you don't know how to make jungle braids, I have a tutorial on that, and I use the pull on one braid method. If you watch my video, it will be linked in the description bar, and at the end of this video you will see the formula I am talking about and how I was able to get the big braid I used in making the bun for their hair. And I think that is all I need to talk about here. And also, when I was done with this, I tied down her hair for at least 30 to 45 minutes, at least 45 minutes. So you will see that in the course of the video. And if you want to watch her elder sister's hairstyle, I have that video uploaded too. You can watch it. I spoke through the whole of the video, but they are almost the same style, exactly the same procedure. So if you have a baby with short type 4 hair, my channel has a whole lot of videos on how to manage their hair, both the styling, losing, detangling, all the good things, and school hairstyles. I have all those good things on the channel, so you can check my link. The playlist I labeled little black girl hairstyles. You will get so much for your little girl there. Check that out, and let's keep watching. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. If you do not agree with anything I am doing, instead of just leaving a thumbs up, thumbs down and going away, just leave a comment and make your opinion known. Let's just talk. I want to learn, and I am open to explaining anything you're interested in. Please just let me know. Just let me know. Just let me know. Let's continue. Okay.
Me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué, no me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito, no me dejes ir, no me dejes ir, te necesito, no me dejes ir, te amo, no me dejes ir.
For the second bun, I didn't braid the hair on her head. I feel as if it's just unnecessary stress for her. So for the second one, I had her mom just hold on to the hair and I braided it on her hand, and I used a rubber band to attach it to her own natural bun. That was how we did the other one. So for this one, consequently for her sisters too, that was how we did it. So please, you don't need to braid it on the hair. You can hook it on anything that is available, braid it there, attach a rubber band to the end before braiding, so that you can just use that to attach the ponytail when you're done on the person's hair or on the child's hair, so that it's less stress or pain. I still just have the scarf because I didn't want to scatter with the gel just yet, since it wasn't getting in my way anyways. So
Me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo cuando te toqué.